Hey YouTube, let's do Medicine by Daughter. This is the easy way to play it. You have a capo at the 3rd fret. It's a keyboard song, but we're playing it on guitar. We're gonna play C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're playing, this shape is like an E minor 7, except we're playing only from string 5 through 1. And then we're going A minor 7. These are all easy shapes. And then F major 7. Don't need to play a bar chord for the F major 7. So C, E minor 7, but not really. A minor 7 and F major 7. Okay, and each one gets 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can still be what you wanna be. When we first met. That's the easy way to play it. And we're getting what we're doing is playing a descending bass line. So we go C, then B, then A, and then F kind of resets. I got some reverb and maybe like a flanger on there. Maybe a little delay. Real clean kind of Fender sound. All right, thanks for watching.